Away they go. Arithmetic fast to begin. Haley Star. Min City down on the inside. Rushing up is Mr. Victory. Running by the rail is Magic Means alongside our Solemn Prayer. Careless Moment. And Pride and Joy is running at the tail of the field. Arithmetic by Alan Kanahapal by Mr. Victory. Mint City down on the inside, rushing up our Solemn Prayer. L Star is running in fifth from the outside. Magic Means Careless Moment and Pride and Joy is still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Arithmetic by Sam two lengths. Mr. Victory, our Solemn Prayer, is racing third by Darrell as they race the final corner. Arithmetic by Alan Canhab. Mr. Victory, our Solemn Prayer, is rushing up and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Arithmetic by Alan Canhab. Our Solemn Prayer, Mr. Victory, Magic Means. Arithmetic running on the outside. In the middle is our Solemn Prayer, Mr. Victory, and finally Mr. Victory. Close our Solemn Prayer, Arithmetic, Haley Star, and Magic Means.